make the same mistakes I did. 7.5 years, that's how long I've been trading for, and I've had many ups and downs throughout these years. Was it worth it? Hell yes it was. But now you can copy my trades for completely free, so you don't have to go through those 3 to 4 years of hardship and trying to figure out how to make this work. This is a jump start into your trading journey, and I'm offering this for an exclusive time for 100% free.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, though. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that they're both. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you remake with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bong, 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 your body kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fait, on m'a tête, chocolat, fine, oh, baguette, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it, yeah, imade, double osile, kilo fait, why now, my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, why you wanna go give me congeal, even want to get already, I'ma make up my eye, I'ma need your gun, I go my eye, I'ma need your gun, maybe, do maybe, I don't money there, do maybe don't go carry belly, do maybe, let one of me see, yeah, come see, yeah, baby, make a bong, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bong, 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 your body, make a bong, 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 on a make.
Hello Moritz. You're currently in the chat. Got a few. Discord things I need to sort out. Right, let's get into it. So This was yesterday. That I haven't done a trade recap over, but I'm doing a live trade recap soon. Yeah, lovely winning day. Currently made back all my losses and more. I think I got added in something. Yeah, my focus today. Let's see what happens. Alright. Let's just. Right. Now, road drawings. Taking a screenshot of that so when I do the live trade recap we can go over it. But let's mark up the chart. So we've got our daily high here. If anything's too loud like the music or whatever, just let me know. I'm still a bit whatever, don't know what levels to use. Daily high, got the daily low. Perfect. Need key 4 hour. Could see. Oh, we literally had no movement. Right. Got a 4 hour bullish order block. Fair value gap. A little bit too loud. Alright. I also need to sort out my stream delay. 10, do that to 10. Got 4 hour there. And 4 hour key. I can't lie, like, I'd be very shocked if we still continue to push higher for the day. She's got no liquidity to go to. Alright, we've got this liquidity point there. Okay, I need 1 hour. Just use that as the same. Nice, one little 1 hour liquidity there. Morning, morning, Louis. Everyone's hopping in. Like we were in this fair value gap yesterday. The only real point of interest for liquidity would be there. I mean, we could easily smash it. Market's been all over the place recently, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so this is such a big. Okay, 1 hour. Let me mark out the times. So 8 AM market open. 1 AM Asia. Okay, so we've got the Asian low there. Why won't this? Why won't this like snap when you click shift it normally? Oh, there you are. Okay, Asian low there. Liquidity. Asian high here. Liquidity. Right, now we've got this 4 hour fair value gap, which is could be a entry for a long. If I'm honest, I'm feeling more sells than longs today, but we'll see. We'll see. We are closer to the daily high than we are daily low. Anything else? Right here. Oh. Now it is a waiting game. Let's see what my focus. Okay, so Light. I don't know if he's in here, but let's look at his analysis. I'm putting on you on blast, Light. Have fun. Let me know if the stream's at 1080p. It should be. I sorted it out the other day. So he's looking at buys, if I'm reading this correctly, to this, whatever this was. I think this was yesterday's high. Not a bad shout, not a bad shout. But yeah, as I said, I've got we'll do live trading recap a bit later, or if the market gives us nothing, that could be a good entry. But if the market gives us nothing, then we'll do it a bit sooner. But yeah, lovely day yesterday. I could have made a lot more if I closed. Okay, perfect. Closed certain positions, but yeah, unfortunately I was busy the whole day, so I wasn't really on my phone. Discord's growing nicely. I'm pretty sure we've got over 100 people now, if I'm not mistaken. I'll just check how many people we have. I can't believe I've got fake accounts. Members 104. Wow. Not bad, not bad. How is everyone in the chat? Or whoever's watching the stream? Yo, good morning. G already completed this model that I shared and took out the previous day high, and so really neutral for, to be honest. Oh, okay, so your move has already been taken. I can't lie, I'm expecting sells. Like, we're so. It's just, look at this 4-hour imbalance that needs to get filled, and if you look down here, none of this has been filled. Oh. So I don't know. I would like to see sells, but if it's buys, it's buys. Yeah, yesterday was kind of clean price action-ish. So the entry I got here was one of the entries I got was decently clean. We were in a daily fair value gap, which just helped me. Look, that's the fair value gap of the day, and it just helped me enter. And I saw the inverse fair value gap, entered off that, saw that we could get a re-entry, entered off that. Can I show you my screenshot just while we wait? I'm obviously going to mark it all up again so I can show you previous day, but look, these were my trades. These two were really good. This one was alright. I closed it way too late. I was kind of greedy with this one, but I was still able to get about 0.5% out of it. Yeah, exactly. It was way too clean. This one, unfortunately, I lost. First losing trade, then came back with these two, then I re-entered on this one. Yeah, decent day. Made about 1.5% profit, if I'm not mistaken. I'm either going to really regret this, or let me just check I'm not going to leak anything. Yeah, yesterday I made 1.3%. After 2 losing days. Not a bad way to come back. But yeah. Now, let's see what today brings. What's everyone's bias? Louis, what are you thinking? Let me know about the music. I ain't got my headphones on, so if it's too loud, that's not the music to have. If it's too loud, let me know. Really wish I could stream on Kick so then I can just play like actual music, not copyright free. Because copyright free music is absolutely trash. And I think I've used the same playlist 4 times. Right. This is what I'm currently looking at, is a sell. But I'm open to buys because we are closer to daily high than we are daily low. But the only thing that could give me a good indication we would sell off is that we're really close to this 4-hour imbalance, which needs to get filled. And along the way, we can collect orders, fill in this imbalance, and project us to go higher. So it would be reasonable for us to sell off, and we're also not in discount range just yet. I am back. Sorry, my sister just came in to say good morning. Can't remember what I was saying. I do need to sort out this. Oh, sales. Yeah, so I'm more open to sells than I am buys, but I can't dispute the fact we are closer to the daily high. So we'll just see what the market brings. I want to see if I can sort out my latency while I'm streaming. I doubt I'm going to be able to. It's just going to help. I don't think I can. Hold on. While this does its thing, let's watch a video on how. Let's pause this other one.
Easy to navigate and easy on the eyes.
How to remove delay in Streamlabs OBS in 20
Why can't I hear
settings.
it? Oh, it's going up my speakers.
And after that, we're going to go to advanced. Here's how to do it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head on to settings.
Settings.
And
Nice.
after that, we're going to go to advanced.
Advanced.
Here in the advanced, you want to scroll down until you see stream delay. Here, you want to turn it on. So we're going to enable it. And for the duration, we're going to change it to 0. Preserve cutoff point. As you see here, it increases delay, so we are going to disable that one. And scroll down, automatically reconnect. Yes, you want to enable it, but we're going to change the value to 0. And for the network, you want to go down to a low latency mode. You want to enable this one. Everything to enable this one. And then we're going to click done in order for everything to take effect. Now the last thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you are not using Wi-Fi. Instead of that, I want you to use a cable from your router.
Ah, okay, I'm already using it. Let's see if that changes absolutely anything. Alright. How many people we got in it? 6, 5. Not bad. This is just my stream. Make sure everything's good. Yeah, it looks right. Okay, let's see what the latency is with that. See if it's less delay, more delay. These songs are arse.
My dream was too.
Really wish YouTube would allow proper copyright.
So, in terms of salary,
Free
we were
music.
thinking-
I was hoping you would tell me what you were thinking.
I want to jam out to like
I insist.
I insist.
Ghana, sorry. Ghana, not Ghana.
Set salary expectations from the start. Please skip the awkward chat.
It's like, I don't even know. We'll just keep on that one for now. Right. I will be streaming later again as well. I'm doing New York this time because people kept asking to stream New York. And Light made a good point that more people are awake in New York because of America. So see what happens on that within that trade stream. Also, if you get fake accounts with me on Discord, please just report them. Because I've already had 2 people message me saying they got 2 people message me saying they got messaged by fake people. And one thing that I've done is change my pronouns to one of one. So that could be a good indication. Unless the person who ever makes fakes account catches on that I've changed that. And if you're unsure, just at me in the Discord and I'll let you know if it's me. this is Ice Spice. Oh, these are all crap songs. A lot of these playlists are going to be repeat unless I can find something else, because like, non-copyright vlog music. Neo, Akon, James Arthur. I feel like I'm in the 1990s. Just leave it on that. What platform are you using? What for, this or to place my trades? Because the one that I'm on now, this is TradingView. This is like the main platform that every trader uses to analyze every pair that is available. Anything you can think of will be available. So right now I've only got 3 pairs because EU, GBP, they work together, and then DXY works in correlation with EU and GBP. Louis, that trade you caught, if you're still watching, was clean, by the way. I don't know if I replied to it. I was out. Let's see. Benny caught a good trade as well. Oh, you would have posted in Forex, wouldn't you? I'm sure you posted something and I replied. Yeah. Anyone catch anything nice today? Solid. Yeah, I did. Okay, I did. To place trades, I use MetaTrader 5, but if you're inside the US, you're not going to be able to use it. So instead of MetaTrader, use CTrader. Well, they're a good trading platform. CTrader, TradeLocker, and there's a few others, but you can only use MetaTrader if you're outside the US. It's banned in the US for some reason. What you say? Sorry, I didn't catch what you said, mate. Oh, I was talking about the trade you caught yesterday, but then I couldn't remember if I replied to it. But then I just checked and I did. I'm going to put you on blast, Benny. Let me know if the music's too loud. I don't think it is, but just let me know. Lovely, solid. I think we caught the same trade. I think I just held it a bit longer. You actually got a pair entry. Fair enough. Yeah, similar trade. Everyone caught similar trades to this, which is good. Good amount of profit. 15k. What prop firm are you with, Louis? I don't think I've asked you that. Everyone, this is my Discord. If you're interested, join. Link in the description or in my YouTube bio. Light, very solid trade. Literally everyone caught the same trade. And yeah, smart. I saw that and I was like, okay. I normally wait for bearish confirmation. That's just kind of. Are they good? I've never really. Don't really know. What's it called? Funded. Next. Never. This is someone else's server, but I'm just a part of it, or helping them. And then this is a secret project that I'll put on blast. 90. Oh, that is good. Good. What's the customer service like? Because sometimes it can be arse. this to get tapped. Let me just put an alert there. I've never. I've heard it's decent. I've just never really looked into it. And I've got a Twitter, but I don't know what to post on it. Like, what do you post on Twitter about trading? Where at? Oh wait, no, it's not there. Sorry. Let me just copy this. I want to change everyone's like role name, but I don't know what to do. Alright, to be honest, I think they do that thing as well, where if you don't get paid within that... Oh, sweet. Yeah, no wonder. No wonder you went with them, fair enough. Benny is stressing. Right. But yeah, that's good. Yo, Benny. I'm good, bruv. How are you? Oh, it's 24. Yeah, but still. If you just get like a small payout and they just fuck up, then that's just sweet. 1k extra. What are the reviews on Funded Next? Fundednext.com 4.6. No mind, that must be true. Oh, fair enough. First all the experience. The support team was quick this one time. Trash. I got 50 in an account. They told me I could just have one. He's just spastic. Fair enough. 4.6. Very high. Yo. Welcome to all the new people that just hopped in. Is it, what's the prices like for the, why am I asking you? I can literally just, I've got Google right in front of me. Let's look. And this, why can't I find good music? Start challenge. Oh, nothing's happening. Yeah, no, I'm looking. Benny, I'm looking for potential sales, if I'm honest. This is my point of interest. 15-minute fair value gap, that's within inside a discounted range. I was initially more inclined to buys coming in, but it's just chop. And we've got this 4-hour fair value gap that hasn't been tapped into yet. So, I'm waiting for this to get filled and we'll see what happens. Oh, it's actually quite cheap. So. Oh wow, yeah, fair enough. Minimum trading days 5, that's normal. First withdrawal. $21 days, that's quite long. Minus 2 weeks. Max overall loss 10%. Oh, I think that's higher than my one now. Fair. Just want to ask how many players. 1, but I do look at 2. So I look at Euro and GBP USD. They work hand in hand, but I mostly trade just Euro. Sometimes I'll trade GBP, but that's on a very rare occasion. Very rare occasion. Benny, you cooked with your trades yesterday. Little 1 to 8, I'm pretty sure it was. I'll find it. Yeah, 1 to 8. Wait, what platform are you on? That looks like what's the platform? Blueberry Markets, which is Voyage. What is it? Voyage. Or was it DX.Trade? I can't remember. It's one of those. I've used that platform before. Yeah, bro, it was alright. I was in drawdown, so I was like, I may as well just hold, and if it loses, it loses. Like, I've only risked 0.5%, so I was just a bit more ballsy to hold it. I've actually got a screenshot of the trades yesterday. Gives you a nice little overview, which we'll be going over at 10:30. These were the 3 trades I took. First one was losing, then I won the next 3. This third one was kind of a shambles one. I'd closed way too late. Should have closed it all the way like down here, down by this low, but I didn't. But it's what it is. I'm out of drawdown. Made 1.3%, I think it was yesterday, which is not bad. Oh, and we got 11 viewers. Do you trade? Abdu. If I've butchered your name, I'm sorry, but I want to get a notification when someone subscribes. How the hell do I do that? Cookshop. Imagine getting a notification every time someone subscribes. I might get that sorted for next stream. That'd be cool. Market is doing nothing right now. Don't know what to do in the meantime. Dark and handsome. Got low. Is it another fortnight time? Still in the 1-on-1 Discord. Can't believe how quick this thing went to shit. I wasn't even going to look at the market yesterday. Yeah, well, lucky you did. You got a nice little trade. And now you're closer to passing your funded. What about USD GBP? Do you have trades on it? Nope. I think I've traded it once. I don't know. I explained this in another stream. Just in terms of volatility when it comes into London and all that, it's just, I don't know. It moves very fast. It's similar to gold, which is good. So if you're trying to catch good, like quick, big moves, that's a good pair to trade. But yeah, I've just never really looked into it. But everyone trades differently. Like everyone here trades different. The main one is euro that I've noticed, but some people trade gold. I personally don't trade gold. So just got to find a pair that you think works for you best. You understand it. You study how it moves, and then you just monetize it and make money off it. But it's all down to you. Like everyone trades. Everyone keeps telling me to move to futures, and I don't know. I've just never. Let's look. Not futures. What's it called? Nasdaq. I've got it somewhere. US 30. That's another good one that everyone trades. Nasdaq. Here we are. What the hell is this? Have I got like a indicator on? I don't have it. What the hell? But yeah, I don't know. Just Nasdaq. I feel like you only see volatility when it comes into New York anyway. And for my trading style, I'm just very used to Euro for it. One day I might look into futures actually, but right now, not that bothered. Me too, I've heard a lot of people. Yeah, futures, I don't know, it's just very. Futures is. It's what everyone kind of trades. Those who promote futures are usually US folks. They get tax benefits regulated, and yeah, exactly. So they'll obviously benefit from it, but I don't know, I've just never liked futures. I've tried trading it once. The lot size you need to. I don't know, you can't use baby pips lot size calculator, and you need to find your own. Like it's like the lot size alone is just something that's a headache. I mean, I'm not saying I'll never switch to futures, but we'll try it out. Just right now, I'm enjoying Euro, even though it is quite a hard pair to trade, which or what everyone else says, but. What was that Breno guy saying? Where was his message? This man. Is funding pips good? I swear they're crap. Give me a second, Louis, and I'll respond. But unfortunately my religion is forbidding it. What? Trading? I've had a look before and sometimes candles are missing, lol, unless I've looked at... Oh, I know what you mean, like there's gaps in the market. Sometimes that's just how it is. Like sometimes on MetaTrader it happens with Euro, just not as often. I think that's quite normal. It could also be the chart that you're looking at might not be the right one. But yeah. I've been learning on NAS and S&P so far, it's been pretty alright. I've been doing a lot of replay trades. Fair. I feel like if you start learning futures, cool. Like not that it's easier, it's a lot you're tailored towards it. But TJR, he switched from GBP USD to what's it called, to futures actually. I think it's just because the moves are a lot bigger, and apparently people say it's a lot more. Why is it forbidden, futures? And then people say the price action's a lot cleaner, which, to be honest, I don't know about. I actually love the comments that say I look 35. I find it so funny.
just to give you trading signals and to send you on your way. If you want to just take the signals, that's amazing.
Never understood signals. I know you can get rich off it if you're giving the signals, but as a trader you should not want to just learn off signals. Right. I need to find a copyright free playlist we can actually stick on this stream so it's not. Here's an hour long. Right. I already took dumb loss. Are you in the Discord? If you are, I want to see it. But what happened? What trade did you take? What was your thought process? But yeah, if you could join the Discord page, post it in there, and then I can help you if you want some help on it. We are reacting off this fair value gap, so if you did enter, fair, stops could be above there. If I took this, TP1 there. Such an arse trade to take, to be honest. There's so much liquidity. Your risk to reward is terrible, but that's something I would probably have taken. But you should have wait for the yeah, I'm not in. You should have wait for the manipulation because there's equal low. I haven't entered yet. Still looking. Where's the equal low? This one. What are you waiting? What do you mean you should have wait? Should I wait for a long? Is that what you're trying to? Is that what you're trying to say? Manipulation kind of happened. It's something about the logic behind the contract. Huh. What religion are you? I've never heard that. Trade play. What was your trade? I want to see it. People join the Discord as well, which is lovely. Yeah, I don't think London I'm gonna get a trade. Islam. Oh, I've got a lot of Islamic friends. I still know a lot of people that still trade. You already took Asian high, target Asian low. I'm doing the same thing. What was that, your trade? Confused. Oh, big up, we've got 100 members in the Discord as well. I think. 107. Hopefully we take out Asia lower, then we just sweep, and then perfect trade to fill in this 4 hour fair value gap, and then that will kind of confirm that we're bearish. If not, it might just turn into a gaming stream again. If you're here for that last time, then you'll know what I'm on about. You didn't take Asian high. Asian high is here. Market open at 8 a.m. Unless my chart is absolutely no. Welcome to all the new people that are joining my Discord. If you're wanting to join my community, let me just pull it up so you can look. If you wanted to join my community, just use link in the description of this live stream, or if that doesn't work, it should work, but if it doesn't, there's a link in my YouTube bio. Just my personal Discord. I've got my little trade notes in here, which I break down each trade, different chats, crypto, forex, general chat. Yeah, it's just where all traders, all people that are trying to look into forex, futures, whatever, come here and we just chat, and that's all. Help each other out. Do have an event tomorrow where I'm live trading in the Discord, so I won't be live trading on YouTube. So if you want to see more of me, come tomorrow. Yo, booty freak. Traded London, trying to, I haven't seen any setups, but yeah, as I was saying, join the Discord. You get a lot more exclusive things than just a live stream. A lot more knowledge based, because there's a lot more people that can help you out, and I'm in there constantly active. If Light isn't here, he knows that I'm always active. Yep, Euro had a massive move, but I can only trade past 8:30. That's my trading rule. So that's 8:30 there. So by the time market opened and I start trading, like, yeah. What I'm hoping is though is that we have a sweep of Asian low, come up to this fair value gap here, or this 30-minute fair value gap, whatever. Let's just extend it because that's more closer to the 50%. And we go down to this 4-hour fair value gap, which is an imbalance that hasn't been filled since last week. Oh, yeah, last week, early this week. But yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking for, is a huge sell-off. What's free? What's what free? Sorry, I missed a real clean trade. EU top book. Oh, I don't think it even swept. It's equal highs there as well. I wasn't on the chart. It is what it is. It is what it is. You always, another trade will come about. That was literally my mentality finishing last week. I lost after 12 trading days. I had a losing day, which kind of hurt, but I kind of wanted it, if I'm honest. But I came back, made back all my losses and more yesterday, which is lovely. Booty freak. Like, he's still in it. SMTGB. Oh, okay. Got you. Bro, I woke up too late and missed the short after Asian session sweep. Everyone's missing it. I hate trading before market open. Like, it's the one thing I hate. Did we actually sweep? Oh my days, we just swept it. Yeah, no, I hate trading before London session open. My pet peeve. Okay, like, I'm just making sure you still, because you're mod for the stream, so if anything goes shit, you're gonna have to help. Booty freak, are you on the Discord? I'm pretty sure you're you. It's coming back though. Yes, I'm waiting for an entry and I'm shorting it down. Now I just came in the first time. Oh, sweet. Lovely to have you here. Bro, when are you going to trade? Want to get an entry? Right now, I haven't seen anything I'm willing to take. There's no point in forcing shit. That's how you lose. In a NAS trade right now on God PA. Nice. Right, I'm posting my Discord link in the server. Not in the server, posting my Discord link in the chat. This is my personal server. Just full of other traders. Post trade recaps in that. Post insights. Post what I'm in. I help you out. A lot of traders are asking me like, what did I do wrong, blah blah blah, and then I would help them out and they would help me out. So if that's something you want to join, click the link. Shout out to Light for giving me that idea, because I totally forgot again to do that. Don't think it'll reach 50% fib though. Market is heavily pushing downwards. Might end up here and put my stops in the 50% line. Good shout. We'll see how it reacts off this fair value gap. If we invalidate off this, like if we invalidate that bearish fair value gap, I'll be more inclined just to wait up here. But I'm hoping it reaches here, because this is a 15-minute equilibrium, so it's not that hard for the market to hit. Nice booty freak.
I should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know.
Right. Yeah, that was my analysis. If we invalidate, I'll wait to the 50% line. If not, I'll probably take a short off this fair value gap. Let's see. If I was to enter stops there. Okay, I don't want to be too greedy. 15 minute TP1 there. TP2, just do that. But I'm kind of hoping we push up and hit here. Be a lot nicer for me. A lot better entry. Market's heavily pushed down the line up here and put my steps 30% line. DX pushing. Looks like GBUSD's pushing up-ish. Don't know. We'll see. It's always better to stay out than to force. That's something I've had to learn the hard way. Are you in? Oh, more people joining? Jay Lewis. Welcome to all the new people that are joining. Disrespect. You've entered. Fair enough. I'm tempted to enter it. Looks like a decent trade. The only thing I don't like is that we haven't tapped this. So, waiting, still want it. Yeah. See how the close is, but this is what I'm currently looking at. And then at 10:30 or might be earlier. Well, what did I say? Feels, yeah, that's what I was thinking, Benny. But oh, you? No, I'm not in. No, I'm not in. No. But yeah, 10:30 or slightly early, depending what happens with London. I'll be going over yesterday's trades, and I'll do a little live trading recap. So, and then we'll post that on the YouTube. Do you know what relates with EU for SMT like NAS and EX? No clue. Do you mean Euro? Or have I just absolutely not understood what you're saying? Yeah, I'm waiting for the imbalance to get tapped. Not imbalance to get tapped, sorry, equilibrium. No, if I'm honest. USD GPY. There you are. Light just gave you it. Bruv, I've been looking for a long setup because high time frame is. Yeah, just because your high time frame is bullish doesn't mean your intraday bullish bias is going to be bullish. There's a lot of factors on why we could sell off. One, we're being so bullish for so long, so we're really overbought. This still hasn't got filled. This hasn't got filled. We are closer to this range than we are daily high. We're closer to daily low than we are daily high. Oh, sorry. We're closer to sell side liquidity in 4 hours than we are daily high. As you look, market is showing a very strong bearish confirmation as well. So it gives a really good indication that we are going to push lower. We'll see how this fair value gap reacts. But you never know, could be a bullish day. We are still respecting this fair value gap here, but personally for me, I'm looking for sales. How well did my... That was my old stream, that was terrible. Lost on that stream. Anyway. Oh, 1.3k. Not too bad. Lads, this might be the easiest trade. Yes, genuinely, it could be the easiest trade of the week. This just needs a good reaction. Then we're solid. This is what I'll be looking at. Stops there. And then I don't know where to target. Where are you going to target? I'll probably target... I don't want to be greedy. Probably there. That's going to be a lovely trade. Go to our time frame, you'll see some nasty further guys that need to be filled. Yeah, oh, that's a good shout. I was thinking that. I'm definitely going to target, I might target the middle point of this 4 hour, but don't tell me you're going to target all the way down here. Because if you do, you've got balls on you. But yeah, if it was me, I'll probably target the 4 hour 50% mark. All I want is a better fill of this fair value gap. I need to start fasting again. Middle point of the one you just showed is what? 4 hour fair value gap. Yeah. When are you going to enter though? Because I want to wait for the 50% to get tapped of the equilibrium, but we've already kind of tapped into the fair value gap, so no, could go now. What do you mean scaling? I'm on the 5 minute. I don't trade anything lower than the 5 minute. I hate trading on 3 minute, 1 minute. Whoever does it, fair. Just not for me. I'm at work, I'll need to enter soon, otherwise my boss will catch me. What do you do for work? Could you explain the equilibrium? I'm low-key lost how to use. Basically, the equilibrium gives the 50% mark, so the halfway mark of a range. So the high to a low, and then this is the 50% mark. So up here is a discount. The top, okay, so if you're looking for a sell, the top is a discount. This is a premium. You never really want to trade within a premium. And then opposite for a buy, say we were looking for a buy, bottom to high, this is the discount, this is the premium. You want to get a trade within the discount because it's a discounted price. You get it for cheaper, you get a longer and better trade, if that makes sense. It's just a cool tool to use because you never want to trade a premium, because normally if you trade within a premium, you're trading at the bottom of a range. So like, let's see here, we see this range, we're in the bottom of it technically on the 15 minute. I work at a care centre, I'm just chilling in the, oh, fair enough. Just sit in the toilet so they can't watch you on the cameras. Means scaling your position as you wait for the EQ to be hit, because it's not being guaranteed price will get there before pushing down. Got you. That makes sense. I bet that makes sense. Yeah, it's just a tool to use. So think of it as like you're buying something. Say we'll say a drink, and one day it's $2. I don't know what currency you use. My bias is bearish. Whatever currency you use, say it's $2, and then the next day it's $1.50. You rather wait for the next day, knowing it's a $1.50. So it's the same similar concept. Similar concept to this. Like this would be the $2. This would be the $1.50. You guys doing funded or personal? Funded, but my goal is to get a personal off my funded eventually. I just joined now, so I don't know how long you're trying to stay in the trade for, but there's some decent news at 2 PM just ahead. Yes, I don't. Is there? Just look. I know an uncle, he trades New York at his job, always taking it in the bar. Smart. January, what are we in? April, apply settings. We don't really have any news. It's all medium impact, it's not going to do that much. He named himself Bathroom Bands. That'd be a good name if he ever becomes like famous. Bathroom Bands. Fed governor. Yeah, it's medium impact. It's not going to do too much to the market. I'm only really worried when it's high impact. Especially on Euro. Medium impact never really does anything. I also utilize trade days. Wait, what? Is that another like news thing? Oh, it is. Oh, nice. Oh, this is quite cool. Please tell me I can add to website. I can add it to. Oh. Wait, could I add this to my Discord? Oh, that's going to be cool. I'm going to look at that. God, please get into the premium. Didn't even discount. What made you go with that SL just above a high? This high? I rather. Can't lie, it's looking juicy to enter right now. Just above this high, that's all. I think it's time to enter. Never tried. I'm pretty sure there is ways where you can. I'm going to enter this trade. I think we'll see how it reacts with this 5-minute fair value gap. Because I really want it to touch the equilibrium. Be cool if you can. I'll look into it. Be a nice little feature for my Discord. But yeah, it looks like a cool calendar. Yeah. That's an app as well. That's what I hate about Forex Factory. There's no app. It's faking you out. Yeah, I know. I haven't entered. That's something I hate about Forex Factory. There's no app. If I can... I've got uni exams and I'm out of here still trying to make it out of the hood. Good, man. I was in your position. Oh, I wasn't in uni, but I was in secondary college. Learning how to trade. Still am. Hopefully by the end of the year it's my full-time job, though. We'll see. Yeah. Nice little fake how that is. Come on, I just need a tap of this fair value gap and then I'm in. Literally as soon as it taps, I'm in. All macros coming up as well, so we could see something there. I might wait for the macro. How old are you? If you're in uni, like 21, 20. What's everyone's age? Also, make sure you to join my Discord, like and subscribe, and yeah, make sure you join Discord. It's just full of other traders. I'm a lot more active in there than I will be on YouTube. Yeah, make sure you join. I'd love to see you there. For anyone new because my family, I can't like my make up and no selling courses. 50k fair. Lost 35k. Yeah, and uni. Yeah, no, I'm having similar things with my parents. I'm guessing you're foreign if they're making you go to uni. 22, 19, 19, 21, 25. You're 25. Oh, so we got people my age here. 16. Damn, starting young. There's you 40. Fair. A lot of young people. Yeah, I was gonna say 40. He was trading. Oh yeah, that's why you can make generational wealth, or you can lose generational wealth in the matter of minutes. We're all quite young. I'm 19. No one believes me, but I am 19. If you want to see proof, I can show you my driver's license. 18. Oh yeah, we're all about the same age. Louis, 22. Unk. Funny that most of my friends are like 25. Can't lie, I only went back uni because I got scholarships going. But I'm from. Oh, okay. Fair. Show your driver's license. We pulling up. Okay, if you got a scholarship, then fair. Where are you from? London. Nice. I was born in London, but I live near Cambridge. If you know that. If you know what that is. Benny, you're nowhere near your 13. TP1 reach on NAS. Nice. Post it in the Discord. I want to see it. Post it in the indexes chat. I'll have a look at it. Show it on stream. If you're in the Discord. What are you studying in uni? What did you get the scholarship for? I know it's going to rail me now. Oh, just partials and break even. Then you can go about your day. Yeah, the uni there. Oh yeah, obviously because of the girls, but we won't say that. Biochem, fair enough. Would never have thought that. Should have done econ. I've got a strong opinion when it comes to that type of stuff in college. Biochem, fair man. Fair. Smart lad. Now, is that something you want to utilise when you get the scholarship to my I'm Dutch, but I moved to okay, got you. Do you want to utilise biochem, or are you just using it as like I've got a degree? Like, is that something you would want to go into a job for? How am I still waiting for this to happen? Is Thingy still here? What was his name? Salman. I've probably butchered that. Bro, you need to scout any reason you go there is for the name. Yeah, exactly. And even then, the jobs require you to have like 4 years experience, and then no one wants to give you experience, so it's just all a vicious loop. If I was to go uni, I'll do it from home. In the UK, there's open uni, which you can thankfully do. I'm telling you guys, if you only do Forex, start doing Nasdaq or S&P. Paper trade, it is so much cleaner price action than that is true. Listen to Salam, it is cleaner. I've just started with Forex and I haven't left really. About me because you get more free time when I worked before, and everyone here hasn't. Yeah, a 9-5 is hell. Fair, got you. Oh, that is a clean trade. Unusual join activity. No, it's calm. Don't worry about the channel. I'm already in. Give me a second. I'll look at the messages. This is good trade, clean. I might enter these sales. I can't lie. Getting impatient. Lovely trade, clean trade that is. Straight to TP1. Well done, Booty Freak. I'm telling you guys, paper trade. I went back to uni because it's Solomon's right. However, if you have no funded or capital, it's difficult because of leverage. True. Even with biochem, I got an internship in summer for equity. Fair enough. Right, we'll see how this candle closes, but I'm tempted to enter my. Just quick question: I usually only trade GB, USD, and US 500. Why are you trying to enter a sell when it's been going up and it hasn't dropped off since July 2023? Good question. I'm not here to catch huge like moves, like months, weekly moves. I'm not here to do that. I'm here to catch moves that happens within a day. So if we go back to my trade yesterday, let me bring up the screenshot instead. That'll be easier. Yes, we're in such a bullish trend, but every market needs a pullback. So now let's look at yesterday. I can't show you here because it's a screenshot. I'll be doing it later in the trade recap. But here was bullish price action, right? And because we were so bought from Friday and early Monday morning, we needed a pullback. That's just how the market moves. The market will always need a pullback at some point. So now all I had to do is wait for my entry, and I entered. So even though we are, yes, you are correct, we are very bullish. If you look on the daily time frame, we are very bullish, and we've been bullish since 20th of Feb, realistically. Every market needs a pullback during the day, or during at some point, and today just looks like it's a good day for a pullback. Yo, welcome. If that makes any sense, by the way. Knowing me, if I enter this sell, the minute I take this sell, I know full well the market's just going to go straight to my stop loss, tap that fair value gap, and go back down. Scruffy, welcome. Oh, wait. Why do I know that? I know Scruffy somewhere. Maybe it's because only of my strap, but that's how I feel about it. Feel about what? I think EU mostly. Salomon, you in yet? If I'm butchering your name, sorry, please correct me. Fair, but it would make more sense. So if we could trade during. Are you in them? Are you in a sell yet? Just, like, nothing. I'm not in. Yeah. I was looking to create thumbnails. Right, I'm going to show you lot. Give me your honest opinion. Am I going to leak anything? I use this for personal stuff as well. Right. This is just something I marked up because having a thumbnail does do better, but I don't know. What are we thinking? I really don't know. Yeah, no, I really want it to touch. I really want it to touch. It's so close yet so far. Chop makes impatient and gets you close. True. Well, true, Benny. True, Benny. By the way, to everyone, you man joining. Yes, I journal my trades. I've got a trade journal on Discord that I post to the members, and I've got my own personal one that I use on Notion. You on X, bruv? Yeah, I've got an account. I just don't use it. I don't know what to post on my trading account. But what are we thinking about the thumbnails? We've got these two, and then this one. So I don't know. I don't know. Just want to try something new, but I don't know whether it's going to do well or not. So give me your thoughts on the thumbnails. And you can be honest if they're shit. I don't care. What's your prop firm? I'm using Seacrest Funded, which is just a prop firm that I came across. Very good, very affordable. If you are looking for a prop firm, use my link in my Discord. You get 10% off your purchases. Put a picture of your trades you took in your thumbnail with the... Just put a picture of the trades you took. How much you... Oh. Yeah, I get what you mean, Mark. Good, I like that. How much of the chat... What? The prop firm I'm with? Look, I'll bring it up. I don't know if they're expensive or not. I've only really been with one of one and then this prop firm. I switched very quick. So let's just do two-step. Let's just say we were 25k MT5. You look 100, but then if you use my code or my link, it'll be easier if you use my link. I don't think it's gonna work yet. To which one's better? I prefer two-step. It's just a bit more of a challenge and a bit more like, oh, you got to actually prove that you can trade. But there is some one-steps. Like, it doesn't really... It's up to you. What you prefer. If you just got to look at the two different properties of it, like the different loss percentages, daily loss, max limit loss, profit levels, etc. It's coming up, boys. Yep. Let's just give my some stop loss to brief to home. Big up, 25 views. I caught the shorts. Nice. Well done. Solid. But now I'm going to be targeting the lows, which I'll probably do TP1 Asian low, TP2 here, then left the runners down to here. See if I can pass my challenge in one day. Let me quickly just post the Discord link again for anyone that wants to join. It is pinned as well, just so you know. Have you tried, what's Maven? Is that a prop firm? Because if so, I've never heard of it. Who you funded with? Seacrest funded. If you're in my Discord, it's my affiliate link. The min trading days isn't an issue. Like, it's not a time limit thing. It's just you need to trade at least 3 days a week, which realistically you should be doing. Are you guys at the point where you know what you're going to make? Can't fail in 6 months. Wait, what? Are you guys at the point where you know that you're going to make it? You should know you're going to make it from the start, if I'm honest. When I first started it, yeah, it was daunting, but I was like, I've got to make it. Like, this is it. Like, either this or I'm literally going to be homeless. 6 months. Oh, you're still fresh, man, and you're doing well. Fair. Dedication. Right. This candle's pissing me off. See how it closes. 6 months, man. You're new. You've been doing about a year now. Just over a year, sorry, not about a year. Just over a year. Just need it to push up a tiny bit more. Come on. That would be sweet. How much? It depends. Like, I normally risk about 0.5 to 1%, but I know people that risk 1 to 2%. It just depends on the trading. Does get addicting, I'll be honest, but you gotta be careful because over trading could come into play. I risk 2.5%. Bruv, you risk so much. Literally, 5% daily drawdown, you're gone in 2 trades. Yeah, like risk 0.5 to 1%. Came too far to quit. How far are you in, Booty Freak? I think we're getting our reaction to the downside now, if I'm honest. What are you thinking, Salam? We're looking at the same trade. I'd like to see your insight. Wait, you guys have a Discord? I think you're in it. Oh wait, no, you're not. Look at the pinned comment. Join that. The longer you stay in the market, the more. Yeah, it's true. Nine to 10 months. Oh yeah, you're still. This closes bearish. I'm entering. We've got a good enough fill. London high. Let me just adjust my lot size. Yeah, I think I'm gonna enter now. We'll see how the candle closes, but we'll see. We'll see. I think you were right. I mean, I don't trade USD, but I don't think it will go down unless 1544. Wait, what? 1544. I don't think you've put the. You haven't put enough digits in. Do you mean 144? Is this? No way, this playlist is already done. Oh, what are those? F it, boys. I mean, inshallah it goes down. We did close bearish, to be fair. No, I'm in as well. I like this trade. Had a nice reaction. Stops are above this. Nah, look at one previous high from Monday where resistance. Are we looking at? Am I just bugging out? Enter at 9 UTC. I don't know what time that is. What is these songs? Right, 9 UTC to. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be 10 AM. 9 AM. It's already been 9 AM. Don't you mean 10 UTC? Yes, sir. I'm seeing blues. Do you guys want me to do this trade recap on live, or would you prefer me to actually properly record it by myself and stuff? We technically did touch equilibrium, by the way. Let me know what you think, what you want me to do with the trade recap. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway. Who don't like a trade? You can do live if you want. Alright, so. Okay. Let me mark everything up. I got rid of it. Let me pull up my screenshot. It'll only be about 10 minutes while we wait for this trade to do something. So, let me just get rid of that. We've got market open at 8. London at 1. Sure. I hope this goes TP because I forgot to adjust. Oh, what are you over risking then technically? Take profit was this fair value gap here. Stops around there. Then I re-entered because it actually validated the fair value gap. Yes, so I'm seeing blues. Why don't you do trade? I've already seen this. Yeah, 2% for this trade. You'll be losing 2% of the. Oh yeah, it's all right. It's in profit right now. And then then I entered off because we had a nice reaction off this one. Here because we had a nice rejection, and then stops were quite high, like that. Never send an SS before final TP. Wise words from Bowie Freak. Then I actually took a loss, which was here, and I was targeting down here, but. Lost. Literally by a couple weeks, which is funny. No. Right, time to do this trade recap. Let me turn my camera on. You won't have face cam because I haven't got it connected. Live trade recap. Turn my lights on. Okay. It's gonna be funny. I've never done this live before. Right. Paused. I'm gonna have to pause the music so I don't get copyrighted in the video. Right, I'm starting the live trade recap in like 5 seconds. So if you want to interject in it, ask any questions about the trades I took yesterday, just let me know and I'll... Is there a way I can put the chat on the screen? Yes, there is a way I can. So if you've got any questions, just ask and I'll set and forget, like, smart. But yeah, if you've got any questions, just put it on the chat and then... How am I going to record this? I'm going to actually use OBS at the same time. It's going to be funny. Or can I record... If this ends the live stream, I'm very sorry. I'll put it right back up, but I'm just testing something. Oh no, I can record and live stream at the same time. Solid. See you later, light. Okay, let's start this. No card in camera. That might be a good start. Delete them. 14311. 143. Yeah, of course you did. Got balls on you. Right. Let's start this video. Right. If I can focus. Why is my camera not focusing? There you are. Right, I'm starting now. So if you've got any questions, you lot can still continue to talk all you want, but I said I'll do this live, so in the Discord. Live trade recap now. Give that about 2 minutes. Price is dumping. Touch wood, it still continues. But yeah. Right. Let's start this. Yo, welcome back to another video here on this channel, another trade recap. As you can tell from the title, yes, I made right around 1.3%, which was lovely. It was a very clean trading day. I am currently live with the Discord. Let me just pull up the chat. They're currently watching me do this live. I'm live streaming at the moment, but yeah. So, going into the day, let me just move this. Is this going to work? Right. But yeah, doing that with the live stream, currently live, doing a live trade recap. If you're wanting to be a part of this again, I might do another one, but right now I'm not too sure if I'll do another one. But yesterday was probably the first clean price action day I've had in a very long time. See you later, Salam. If I've pronounced your name wrong, very sorry, but yeah, he's gone. But yeah, price action yesterday was very clean. Everyone in the Discord had similar trades. Probably everyone took the same trade, if I'm honest. But yeah, I took a total of 4 trades, which is more than I normally take, and normally that I would like to take, but 3 of them were so good not to enter that I had to enter, and one of them unfortunately was a loss. But yeah, I finished the day 1.3% in profit, which has now made back my losses and slightly more. So let's go over to the main monitor, we'll go over the main trades, we'll keep this short and sweet, right to the point, and then I can get back to streaming. So, coming off Asian session, as we can see, we're extremely bullish. Now seeing this, I thought one of 2 things. If we've got enough buy side liquidity, we'll continue bullish. If we don't, we're going to sell off. And we didn't have that many buy side liquidities left. When I was looking at an entry where we're in this bearish daily fair value gap, and the closest liquidity was too far compared to all the sell side liquidity we had down here. So initially I was looking for sells. Now an opportunity did come. We had nice wick rejections, and we had this bearish fair value gap get formed, so I waited for a wick rejection off that. As you can see, I entered. My take profit was down here. I think this was like near Asian lows, but unfortunately we hit stop loss straight away, which is a bit unfortunate. I did probably think I did jump the gun on this one. We didn't have a solid breaker structure either, but I was very heavily bearish on the day, and I knew we were going to sell off. So coming off that trade, I wasn't actually going to trade till New York, but I was still on my laptop. I still just saw, maybe there's another trade that could come about, or another entry that could potentially be good enough to enter. Now that coming off that trade, I saw that we started to still wick reject, and we're still in this bearish daily fair value gap, which is holding very nicely. So I decided we have this bullish fair value gap, which I'm pretty sure we had on a 3 minute, if I'm not mistaken, which we did. I decided, okay, if we get nice wick rejections and have a nice push, I'm going to enter off it, which we did. We invalidated the bullish fair value gap, only slightly, very slightly, but I was very confident we were going to sell off due to us being bullish the whole of the end of last week and Asian session. We needed a pullback at some point, and I knew today was going to be the pullback. So wait for it to invalidate. We hit sell. I targeted just this fair value gap, which hit take profit. Now I did re-enter, and this was just purely because I was just confident in the trade and I wanted to stack up and make a bit more bread. So entered off that, had 2 positions, both hit take profit, which was lovely. Thought I was done for the day, and then I saw a potential another entry. We had, I think I've marked the wrong fair value gap. Where is it? Yeah, no, I was correct. We had this half an hour fair value gap. I said, okay, if we get good rejections off it, I think we also entered, no, sorry, it was the 5 minute fair value gap which I entered off. My apologies. Saw this 5 minute fair value gap which played into a 15-minute discount and a 5 minute, played into a 15-minute discount. I said if we get a good wick rejection twice, I'll enter, or just once. As you can see, got a wick rejection, very nice wick rejection. And the reason I was still bullish for the day is because we still haven't taken out major key points. We still haven't taken out this low. We still haven't really filled. There was a 15-minute imbalance that we haven't really filled. So there was still key points of interest that I knew we would have to target. So I entered on this one. Stops were a bit high. I think they were about there. And I targeted down here, but unfortunately I forgot to put my take profit, and by the time I realized price was up here, and I just closed. So I made about 0.5% profit on that one, which is still good. Obviously it's a kick in the teeth, kick in the gut, because I wasn't actually paying attention to it, but I was busy. So those were the 4 trades that I took. I'm still live on the Discord. I think everyone's kind of watching me just talk about my trades. Now let's go over to what I could have done to improve and what could have been a better outcome and better steps I could have taken. With this first trade, this was a bit just, not on a whim, but it was just a bit scuffed. I didn't have a proper break of structure. The fair value gap was alright. Discount was a bit mid. Overall, it was just a mid trade. I just had jumped in the trade too early, which essentially what cost me the stop loss. I did under risk. I risked about 0.5%, so I did cover my back. But let's just do a quick trade update. This is the trade I'm currently in. Took this with the YouTube and the Discord, and a few other members are in it. It's doing all right. Right, back to the task at hand. With this trade, it was a bit, even though I was confident we were going to sell off, just taking the trade off this little we didn't even really invalidate, if I'm honest, of this candle was a bit risky, but I was so confident we were going to sell off that I knew I was fine entering it, and we had a lot of wick rejections. But yeah, this trade, I can't see any real improvements, just wanted more bread on that one. But yeah, that probably sums up all the 4 trades that I took. The stream is going very well. If you're wanting to watch me stream, join my Discord, because that's when I post when I'm streaming. Like yesterday I posted my stream schedule, so I'm doing another stream today at 1 PM, which you won't know about until tomorrow, because this trade's only going out, this video is only going out either late tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, make sure you join the Discord, that's where I post everything. I'm doing a live trading with the Discord tomorrow morning at 8 AM GMT, so make sure you're there. But yeah, lovely trading day. I'm officially back up on the account, made back my losses and more. But yeah, very tired at the moment. I didn't really sleep that much last night. We're doing very well on the stream. Streams is going very well. We've been speaking all morning, got 27 views at the moment. It's been banging. Everyone in the stream say hey, and when that comes through, if they say hey, I'll show it. But yeah, a lovely trading day. Very clean price action. Hopefully now price action starts to be a bit cleaner. But yeah, overall, a very clean day. There's just a few things I'll tweak, just like this one. Make sure my take profit is set and I'm not just make sure I'm on the ball. And then this one, just I feel like I'm a bit not impatient, but I like to jump the gun and be a bit impulsive, which is kind of my worst enemy when it comes to trading. But yeah, can't complain. I'll be posting a trade recap, like written recap, down in my Discord, so make sure you join that so you can see that's a bit more in depth. I go a bit more in depth just about the pre-analysis, during and after. So yeah, if you want to see it more in depth, make sure you check out the Discord, link in the description. But we're officially back. Hopefully the winning streak now continues. Obviously, if you watched any of my previous videos, you knew that I was on a 12-day winning streak and it officially came to an end on Friday. But we're back now, so let's see what happens. I'll catch you in the next one. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? Was that good? Was that bad video? Felt quite awkward recording that, don't know why. Is everyone still here? Still says I have 27 viewers, so someone's got to be here. Yo, what up, Pecky? Finally, on the stream. It's not like I texted you 2 hours ago. You trade OCT concepts? Yes. Yeah. I learned off TJR, so I trade a bit of TJR strat, bit of ICT. Was good. Love broski. Don't know how it gets so awkward on camera. I don't know why. Oh, we got new people in. When it comes to lunch, or when I have lunch, I'm not going to be on this stream much longer because I'm coming back at 1, so I want to have a bit of a break. Is this trade running? It's doing alright, it's just very slow. It's quite late in London. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to hop off soon. Pecky, if you want to play Fortnite, let me know. But yeah, I'm going to hop off soon. I'm streaming again at 1 PM GMT, so make sure you're free for that. I'll be posting that in the Discord. Let me quickly just post the link again for the Discord. Basically, in this Discord, I'm not selling you anything. I'm not selling you a course or anything. It's literally just my community where people will watch my videos, watch my streams, come in, and we post our trades. They help me, I help them. Yeah, just a normal trading community, really. So if you're looking for other people that are likewise, I am trading New York. I'm coming back for New York. I trade both. I'm just taking a break from now till New York because I'm streaming again. So I want to have a bit of lunch. I need to go on a run. I need to read my Bible. So yeah. But make sure you join the Discord. We are running it up. We're about 110 viewers now, if I'm not mistaken, which is lovely. Lovely number to be at. I want everyone to be a bit more active. It's not as active as I'd hope it to be, but soon come. This chat on my Streamlabs is delayed compared to the chat on my web terminal, which is weird. But yeah, this trade is going to be chop, so we're going to have to do a little set and forget, see what it's like in New York. But been a lovely stream. I'm going to wait until we hit 2 hours. OCD. But yeah. We'll see what this trade does. I feel like we are going to come back into a premium discount, sorry. Probably consolidate and then dump. But we will see. Is anyone from the stream going to be back in New York at 1? I'll probably start at 1. I need to actually look what's on my calendar. What I need to be doing. That's just a thumbnail idea that I'm working on. That's Forex Factory. I've got so many tabs open. asked to run now, so I'll run later. Probably gonna run later. I'm gonna read my Bible, my book. Entered again in Nas. Good position for re-entry. Good, good, good. Or if it's a solid re-entry and it follows your trade bias, your trade rules, whatever. What is going on with this audio? But yeah, if it follows your trade like rules, discipline, whatever, you may as well re-enter. And if you lose, you lose. It is what it is. Is the green fog? Is it a 1 hour? No, it's a 4 hour bullish fair value gap. What do you think about the supply and demand? I think the supply and demand is alright. It's not something I personally trade, but each one's to their own. Personally, for me, I've never really liked supply and demand concept. Maybe because I didn't do enough research on it and I didn't really master it, but to me, it's just a weird concept to trade. The real money is in liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, etc. That's where the real money comes. The real opportunities for big sales come. Yeah. Okay. Boys and girls, if you're watching, probably not, because trading is more of a guy thing, but I'll catch you in the stream in about 2 hours, 10, 11, 12, 3 hours. Hope to catch you there in New York Open. It's been a lovely stream, running out about 2 hours now. But I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it all made sense. Make sure you join the Discord. You're going to see a lot more of me there. I'm a lot more active there than I will be on YouTube. And I can help you a bit more if you've got any questions. But yeah, love to you lot. I'll see you at 1 PM if anyone comes back. Catch you in the next one. On the bigger time trade, he does miss 2 trades already, so not doing any fair, smart. But yeah, catch you lot in the next stream. See you in New York.